In this short video, we will learn and understand roles of various functionaries. Very first function, Board of Directors. Board is primarily responsible for all the IT governance. Then we do have IT Strategy Committee. They advises board on IT strategy and new IT initiatives. Then we do have IT Steering Committee. They takes overall responsibility, monitor IT projects, and they ensure alignment between IT and business objectives. Other function is System Development Management. They basically provide technical support. Other important function is User Management, Project Sponsor. They actually assumes the ownership of the project and resulting systems. They provide functional requirement and specification, and then they also take up UAT, and then they finally review and approve the deliverables. CISA aspirants are requested to note down these 5 functions. They are very important from CISA exam point of view. Let us recap what we learned in last slide. So, what is the role of Strategy Committee? They advises board on IT strategy. Now, what is the role of Steering Committee? It provides overall direction and monitor project cost and schedules. Now, what is the role of User Management and Project Sponsor? They review and approve the deliverables. So, what is the role of System Development Management? They provide technical support. Let us discuss some question on the concept. Which of the following authority is ultimately responsible for development? So, whenever ultimate responsibility comes, it's but obvious board of directors. Next question. Senior management's involvement is very vital in development of. So, whenever involvement of senior management is required, but obvious strategic plans are to be there. IS security guidelines, procedures, and IS function are basically routine activity. Next question. Which of the following is a function of IS steering committee? This we discussed. The role of IS steering committee is to monitor the major projects and approve the same. Option A, B and D are the routine activity to be taken care by IT department. So, who is primarily responsible for IT governance? Again, primarily responsibility is of board of directors. Which of the following teams should assume overall responsibility? Whenever it comes to assume overall responsibility, it should be steering committee, project steering committee. They assume the overall responsibility for system development project. Which of the following should take ownership? Now, ownership is basically the user management or project sponsor. They are the owner of particular system or project. So again, requirement specification is ultimately responsibility of project sponsor. Project sponsor again means same thing, user management. They should give the requirement for the system, and then they should do the UAT, and then they should accept the system whether it is as per the requirement or not. So project sponsor. Now again, an organization established a steering committee to oversee its application development program. Following is the function of steering committee. If you see option A, option C and option D are basically routine activity to be taken care by of IT department. In case of any project issued, same need to be escalated by IS steering committee to the top management of board of directors. IS steering committee role is to monitor and approve the major projects. So, accountability for maintenance of appropriate security measure over information asset reside with the security administrator, database administrator, resource owners or IT group. Resource owners are basically the data owners or the process owners or the system owners. They are ultimately responsible or accountable for maintenance of appropriate security measures. Again, who assumes the ownership? We already discussed, whenever word ownership comes, it's basically the user management or project sponsor. So in our question, it should be user management should assume the overall ownership of a system development project and the resulting system. Thanks for watching. Please do visit datainfosec.blogspot.in for more such videos. All the best.